Mobirise is a no-code website builder known for its offline drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners. To get started, download and install Mobirise. Select a theme like Agency or Creative. Build your site by dragging pre-designed blocks, such as headers, footers, and galleries, onto the canvas. Customize each block with the visual editor to fit your needs. No coding knowledge is required. Preview your site locally to ensure it looks perfect. Once your site is built, Mobirise offers multiple publishing options. Locally to your drive, via FTP or SFTP to any hosting provider, directly to GitHub pages, or through Mobirise's own hosting service. For SEO, use Mobirise's built-in tools like meta tag editors to add titles, descriptions, and keywords that help search engines understand your content. Add descriptive alt text to all images to improve accessibility and help search engines understand your visual content. Integrate Google Analytics to monitor your site's traffic, user behavior, and performance metrics. Consider using AI-driven SEO suggestions for title tags and other optimizations to improve your site's search engine visibility.